Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Toontastic is Fun with Iman. I'm Imanali and today I'm going to be sharing information regarding this deadly disease known as coronavirus. That's one of the most hot topics right now on news media and everywhere. As you guys might know that there is no cure for coronavirus and the patients that have recovered from coronavirus are just a miracle. The medical staff all over the world is trying to find the best solution for coronavirus, but they couldn't find the most suitable one. So you should always have some precautions on hand. This quote perfectly fits here that prevention is better than cure, but in this case there is no cure. So there's only one way, that is prevention, that can save your life. And even if you compare prevention and cure, then prevention is always easy because the cure of coronavirus is very harsh. They would put you in an isolation ward apart from your family, so I guess prevention is very easy in that way. Let me shortly explain to you the precautions that you should take. Cover your mouth while sneezing, wear a mask all the time, see a doctor if you're unwell, wash your hands frequently, thoroughly cook meat and eggs, get enough rest, and avoid contact with live animals, poultry, and birds. But even if you do, then wash your hands immediately. Wash your hands with soap and water. This allows the germs on your hands to get off because coronavirus most often comes from your hand and then enters into your face and mouth. So avoid touching your face and mouth. Also, let me tell you the way how to wash your hands. Use soap. First, rub your hands palm to palm, then back of the hands, finger interlaced, base of the thumbs, fingernails, wrist, rinse hands, and dry hands. So the tissue paper that you're using to dry your hands, use the same tissue paper, close the tap of the water, and then throw the tissue paper into the dustbin. So you can see that I have showed you guys proper instructions at how should you do these hand washing instructions, and also this whole process must take about 20 seconds, or it could be more than that. So it could be like maximum 20 seconds and minimum 20 seconds too. You should always have hand sanitizers with you. Right now these are hand sanitizer sprays, so if you're like outside, you're home and you do not have water and soap, then these are perfect for you. And if you guys might remember, then in one of my Lahore vlogs I showed you guys a sanitizer that I have. So these sanitizers are perfect for you. These are like mini sanitizers, but there is like no like necessity that you must have these. If you don't have them, then don't you worry, that's nothing like a problem. And the reason why you should wash your hands is that germs are always present in your hands. And also, please don't eat outside food because you don't know how that food is made. Maybe the person who made it is infected. You should try to eat healthy food at home like spinach, avocados, lemon, cheese, carrot, juices, and even you can eat egg, homemade burgers, pizzas if your mom knows how to cook. And also, I've seen a lot of people who take open milk, and that's very dangerous. So just for this type of situation, please take closed packaged milk. And also, please take social distances because it's very necessary. And also constantly wear your mask because this is the only way that you can prevent coronavirus from entering into your lungs. So doctors know that coronavirus enters into your lungs through your nose and mouth, through your respiratory system. So you should wear a mask all the time, stay in your home, and be safe while having a mask on your face. So it doesn't depend which age you are in, you should always wear it. And if you're wearing a cloth mask, then please wash it after every 24 hours. And if you're wearing like a mask that's like the surgical mask, then please throw it away after 24 hours. Also, please stay at your home and be safe from coronavirus because I have seen a lot of people who get bored at home and they go outside like nothing's gonna happen. And also drink a lot of water because it's proved that coronavirus before entering into our lungs have a little stay in your throat for about 2 to 3 hours. If you drink a lot of water constantly after 15 to 10 minutes, then it will go into your stomach with the water and the stomach acids will kill the coronavirus. Now, I guess there's a lot of precautions there, and you guys must be thinking that what should we do if you're staying at home wearing a mask and doing whatnot? Then let me tell you, let me explain it to you. As a kid, I love painting. Then you can do painting too because it's super easy. You can artwork, you can do water painting, pastel painting, anything that you like, of course. Even if you're given homework, like my school has given me homework, we take online classes every day, then you should do your homework too. Also, help your parents. This way you'll get along with your siblings and also with your parents, and you should definitely learn some household chores like I did. Also, please play with toys. And why I'm using plays, because some grown-ups think it's like too childish to play with toys, but it's the best time to bring your inner child out now. Also, Allah Almighty is superbly sad from us, so we should always seek forgiveness from Him. So offer your namaz constantly on time, and also read Quran Pak and pray from Allah Almighty that this deadly disease coronavirus must disappear from our world and never come back. Now let me tell you that coronavirus affects the respiratory system, and you have a lot of breathing difficulties. But this does not happen immediately. There are some symptoms that appear, such as fever, runny nose, cough, headache, and dizziness. And the final stage is actually breathing difficulties. So if you're having any of these symptoms, then please go consult with your doctors. I have seen a lot of people who have coronavirus, and they're in the fear that if they go consult with the doctor, they will place him in an isolation ward and he wouldn't be able to go anywhere to meet his parents. But please do some mind here. Use your common sense here that you are affecting other people, and that's deadly. So please go consult your doctor. Maybe it's not a coronavirus, it's just a common fever or flu. So just be safe in your home. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure that you stay at home, and also subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up so you can become a part of my team.